Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga ka-istorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we're opening a powerful new chapter on the channel. One dedicated to extraordinary women who didn't just make history but stood their ground when it mattered most. These are women whose impact goes far beyond recognition. Women who face criticism, pressure, and fear, yet choose courage, integrity, and truth. Today, we shine the spotlight on a woman whose name ay naging simbolo ng press freedom at katatagan, si Maria Ressa. Bago pa siya makilala ng buong mundo bilang Nobel Peace Prize winner, bago pa ang malalaking headlines at international stages, si Maria Ressa ay matagal nang humaharap sa makapangyarihang sistema. Nagtatanong ng mahihirap na tanong at ipinaglalaban ang katotohanan sa gitna ng laganap na disinformation. Bilang isang journalist, leader at truth teller, pinatunayan niya na ang tapang ay hindi laging maingay. Minsan, tahimik lang itong tumanggi na umatras. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. This is a story about conviction, accountability, and the cost of standing for what's right. Let's uncover 7 real facts about Maria Ressa and why her story continues to matter today. Number 1, Maria Ressa is a Filipino-American journalist. Ang kwento ni Maria Ressa ay hinubog ng paglalakbay, identidad at malinaw na layunin. Ipinanganak siya sa Maynila sa Pilipinas at ginugol ang kanyang maagang kabataan na malalim ang ugat sa kulturang Pilipino. Ngunit nagbago ang direksyon ng kanyang buhay nang lumipat siya sa Estados Unidos habang bata pa, isang hakbang na nagbukas ng mas malawak na pananaw sa mundo. Doon siya lumaki at nag-aral kung saan nahubog ang kanyang paniniwala sa demokrasya at sa kahalagahan ng malayang pamamahayag. Sa paglipas ng panahon, ang dalawang mundong ito, ang kanyang pagka-Pilipino at ang kanyang Amerikang upbringing, ay nagsanib at naging pundasyon ng kanyang pagkatao. Bilang may hawak na parehong Filipino at American citizenship, dala ni Maria Ressa ang isang dual identity na malaki ang impluwensya sa kanyang trabaho bilang mamahayag, nagbibigay sa kanya ng kakaibang pananaw sa mga isyong pandaigdig, press freedom, at sa responsibilidad ng pagsasabi ng katotohanan kahit lampas sa mga hangganan. Number 2, she co-founded the digital news site Rappler and served as its CEO. Bilang pagpapatuloy ng kanyang paninindigan sa katotohanan at pananagutan, gumawa si Maria Ressa ng isang matapang na hakbang papasok sa digital age nang i-co-found niya ang Rappler, isang Manila-based online news platform na kalaunan ay nagbago ng anyo ng journalism sa Pilipinas. As its CEO, she helped shape Rappler into more than just a news website. It became a space where investigative reporting and data-driven journalism converged to challenge power and amplify public discourse. Sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno, nakilala ang Rappler sa paggamit ng teknolohiya, social media at malalim na investigasyon para ilahad ang mahalagang kwento. Pinatutunayan na ang independent journalism ay kayang manatiling buhay at makabuluhan kahit sa isang komplikado at polarized na digital landscape. Number 3, Maria Ressa won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2021. In 2021, Maria Ressa's lifelong fight for truth and press freedom was recognized on the world stage when she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. She received the honor jointly with Russian journalist Dmitry Muratov, a moment that underscored the global nature of the struggle for independent media. Binanggit ng Nobel Committee ang kanyang efforts to safeguard freedom of expression, which is a precondition for democracy and lasting peace, na nag-highlight kung paano ang tapang at pagtitiyaga ni Maria Ressa bilang isang mamahayag ay lampas sa mga hangganan ng bansa. Ang makasaysayang pagkilalang ito ay hindi lang pagdiriwang sa kanyang personal na paglalakbay, kundi isang malakas na paalaala sa mahalagang papel ng malaya at matapang na pamamahayag sa pagprotekta sa demokrasya at kapayapaan sa buong mundo. Number 4, she spent nearly 2 decades working as a top journalist for CNN. Before co-founding Rappler, Maria Ressa dedicated nearly 2 decades to honing her craft as a top journalist at CNN. During her tenure, she served as a lead investigative reporter and took on the role of bureau chief in both Manila and Jakarta. Her work covered some of the region's most pressing political and security issues, from government policies to conflicts that shape Southeast Asia. These years not only sharpened her investigative skills, but also deepened her understanding of the complex dynamics of power, governance, and society, experiences that would later inform her fearless leadership at Rappler. Number 5, she has faced legal challenges and harassment in the Philippines. Ang dedikasyon ni Maria Ressa sa matapang na pamamahayag ay hindi dumating ng walang personal at profesional na panganib. Ang kanyang kritikal na pag-uulat noong panahon ng Administrasyong Duterte ay nagdulot ng matinding pagsusuri at humantong sa sunod-sunod na legal na kaso laban sa kanya at sa Rappler. Kabilang dito ang mga high-profile na cyber libel charges na marami sa mga tagapagtanggol ng press freedom ang kinundina bilang politically motivated na paraan para patahimikin ang independent media. Despite the pressure, harassment, and threats she faced, Ressa remains steadfast in her mission, embodying the courage and resilience required to uphold truth and accountability in a climate hostile to free expression. Number 6, Rappler and Ressa's work documents disinformation and human rights violations. Sa buong karera niya, patuloy na binibigyang pansin ni Maria Ressa ang madilim na aspeto ng digital age. Ang kanyang mga ulat ay malalim na tumutok sa kung paano nagagamit ang social media bilang sandata para magpakalat ng fake news, harasin ang mga political opponents at manipulahin ang opinyon ng publiko. Sinuri rin niya kung paano nakaapekto ang mga pulisya ng Administrasyong Duterte sa human rights sa Pilipinas na nagbigay liwanag sa mga pag-abuso at sistemikong isyu na maaaring hindi napapansin. Through her work, Reza has demonstrated the vital role of investigative journalism in holding both technology and government accountable, revealing how power can be misused in a connected world. And number 7, Maria Ressa is also an author and educator. Beyond her work as a journalist, Maria Ressa has made significant contributions as an author and educator. She has written several books exploring the intersections of terrorism, media, and society, including Seeds of Terror, From Bin Laden to Facebook, and How to Stand Up to a Dictator, offering readers insight into complex global and political issues. Bukod sa pagsusulat, ibinahagi rin ni Risa ang kanyang kaalaman sa buong mundo bilang guro sa journalism at politika. Tinuturuan at mini-mentor ang susunod na henerasyon ng mga reporter at pinapalalim ang kanilang pag-unawa sa mga responsibilidad at hamon ng malayang pamamahayag sa kasalukuyang panahon. And there you have it, mga kaistorya. 7 real and verifiable facts about Maria Ressa, a journalist whose courage, resilience, and commitment to truth have left an indelible mark not just in the Philippines but across the globe. From her beginnings in Manila to co-founding Rappler, facing legal challenges, exposing fake news, and inspiring the next generation through her books and teaching, Maria Ressa truly embodies the power of fearless journalism. So now I'm curious, which fact about Maria Ressa inspired you the most and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more stories of remarkable Filipinos making a difference. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Daghang salamat! Before I wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thought. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. It's a reminder that no matter the challenges we face, courage, persistence, and positive mindset can guide us towards our goals. Let this message inspire you to take action, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward, because every small step counts on the journey to greatness.